If you're searching for the ultimate snack gift for the meat lover in your life, or just want to treat yourself, check out the Jack Link's Duos gift box. This 11-piece Beast Snack variety bowl for Father's Day, holidays, birthdays, or care packages. It's a one-stop gift that's useful, satisfying, and full of flavor. So whether you're shopping for a dad, athlete, outdoor adventurer, or snack-obsessed friend, the Jack Link's Duos gift box hits the mark. Steak. Click the link in the description to grab yours and give the gift of meat, because snacks this good deserve to be shared. Or not. Thanks for watching. Is loaded with high-protein, flavorful favorites from one of the most trusted names in jerky. Inside the box, you'll get a curated mix of beef jerky, chicken jerky, tender bites, and snack sticks, something for every craving. Whether you're hitting the gym, packing a road trip, or just need a protein-packed pick-me-up at work, this gift box delivers. It's bold, it's meaty, and it's made for anyone who loves real snacks with serious flavor. Each piece is packed with quality cuts and Jack Link's signature seasoning blends, from sweet and spicy to smoky and savory. And with no need for refrigeration, it's great for tossing in a backpack, lunchbox, or glove compartment. What makes it a perfect gift? The packaging. It comes in a ready-to-gift box that's ideal